Shane car concept. Let's start with the Shane car concept, a groundbreaking approach to vehicle design that gives power back to the driver. Imagine being able to customize your car's appearance, functionality, and even the way it feels on the road. The Shane car takes modularity to new heights by letting owners swap out parts and configurations. Think different panels, seating, wheels, and tech setups based on personal style and specific needs. This car goes beyond just good looks. The Shane car is fully electric and uses sustainable materials for many of its components, aligning with the global shift towards eco-friendly design. One day it might be a sleek, streamlined commuter car, and the next, you can turn it into an off-roader with high clearance. The interior customization is equally impressive, allowing drivers to set up everything from entertainment systems to flexible seating arrangements, so you could even turn your car into a mobile workspace or mini theater. Audi Activesphere concept. Next up, we have Audi's Activesphere concept. This vehicle is designed to be the ultimate chameleon, blending the luxuries of a high-end sedan with the rugged capabilities of an SUV. Audi's goal with the Activesphere is to create a single vehicle that adapts to multiple terrains and driving scenarios, making it perfect for city commutes or weekend getaways into nature. The Activesphere's adaptive suspension is one of its most impressive features, allowing it to change its ground clearance at the touch of a button. This means it can go from hugging the road in sporty mode to a high-riding SUV capable of handling dirt roads and rough terrain. The interior is where Audi's tech really shines. With an augmented reality heads-up display, drivers can get real-time information on their surroundings, navigation, and even environmental factors. Plus, when you're in autonomous mode, the Activesphere's dashboard retracts, giving you more space to relax. Chevrolet ENV. The Chevrolet ENV, or Electric Networked Vehicle, presents an entirely new approach to urban mobility. This compact, two-seater vehicle is designed to fit seamlessly into crowded urban areas where space is at a premium. Fully autonomous and networked, the ENV isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about reimagining how cars interact with each other and with the infrastructure around them. One of the ENV's most innovative features is its communication capability, allowing it to connect with other vehicles in real time. Imagine an entire network of ENVs on the road, each one automatically adjusting its speed, path, and even routes based on traffic flow and potential hazards. This networked communication can greatly reduce congestion and improve safety, as cars would essentially talk to each other to prevent accidents and create smoother traffic patterns. Its design is also eco-friendly, with an electric propulsion system that keeps emissions to a minimum. ELEGOO Orangestorm Giga. In the world of 3D printing, ELEGOO's Orangestorm Giga takes things to a whole new level. As one of the largest and most precise resin-based 3D printers available, this machine can produce intricate, high-resolution models on a massive scale. It's not just for small figurines or DIY projects. The Orangestorm Giga is designed to meet the needs of industries like automotive, architecture, and medical technology. What sets the Orangestorm Giga apart is its precision and speed, enabling it to print complex parts that are both large and incredibly detailed. Imagine creating entire car parts, architectural models, or even medical prosthetics quickly and with stunning accuracy. The potential here is huge. With such a versatile and powerful printer, industries can innovate faster and bring concepts to life in a fraction of the time it would traditionally take. ELEGOO's vision shows us how 3D printing technology can go beyond small-scale projects to become an integral part of large-scale manufacturing and prototyping. NASA Havoc. NASA's High-Altitude Venus Operational Concept, or Havoc, offers a fresh take on exploring one of the solar system's most inhospitable planets, Venus. Unlike Mars, Venus's surface is far too harsh for current technology, with extreme heat and crushing atmospheric pressure. So instead of landing, NASA's Havoc concept involves floating an airship in the Venusian atmosphere, where conditions are much more manageable. The Havoc airship would hover around 50 kilometers above Venus's surface, where temperatures and pressures are closer to those on Earth. This altitude altitude offers a unique vantage point to study the planet's atmosphere, climate, and surface. Solar panels would power the airship, and it would carry a variety of scientific instruments to capture data, analyze atmospheric conditions, and potentially search for signs of chemical life processes. Havoc represents a novel approach to space exploration. Hyundai CES 2022. At CES 2022, Hyundai presented a vision of the future that goes beyond personal vehicles. Their concept, which includes walking cars, autonomous delivery drones, and smart city infrastructure, paints a picture of cities that operate in harmony with advanced mobility solutions. Hyundai envisions a future where mobility is a highly adaptable ecosystem, responding to people's needs and environments in real time. One of the most fascinating parts of this vision is the walking car, capable of climbing steps and maneuvering through challenging terrain. It's an ideal solution for areas where traditional wheeled vehicles can't go. Meanwhile, autonomous drones are designed to assist with delivery services, working seamlessly with ground vehicles to streamline logistics in urban areas. These vehicles are all connected within a smart infrastructure, communicating with each other and adjusting to the flow of the city. Renault Float. The Renault Float concept brings a futuristic, almost dreamlike idea of transport to life. This unique concept relies on magnetic levitation, allowing the float to hover and move smoothly through urban landscapes without traditional wheels. It's a vision of a transport system that combines the efficiency of public transit with the flexibility of private transport. The float's pod-like design makes it possible for multiple units to link together, creating social pods where friends or families can travel together. The transparent exteriors give a panoramic view of the cityscape, adding to the feeling of openness. Renault's design is also eco-conscious, aiming to reduce emissions with zero-contact magnetic levitation. This concept challenges the norms of urban transport by blending privacy with social connectivity and offering a sustainable, low-energy solution. The Float isn't just a new vehicle. It's a new way of thinking about moving through our city. Microsoft's Silica glass. Rounding off our list is Microsoft's Silica glass, a revolutionary data storage technology that could redefine digital preservation. Using lasers, Microsoft can encode data onto quartz glass, which is durable enough to survive extreme conditions like heat, water, and even electromagnetic pulses. This makes it ideal for long-term data storage. Silica glass is highly compact, meaning vast amounts of data can fit on a small piece of glass. Microsoft envisions this technology being used to preserve important cultural and historical data for centuries. Imagine a library's worth of information fitting on something the size of a credit card and being able to withstand the test of time. This could make data preservation more sustainable, reducing the need for constant data migration to new formats. Microsoft's Silica glass could be a key technology in the future.